Hello guys, back again to my channel, and in back again in this video on the channel. In this video we will discuss about what are Bitcoin. Check out the full explanation. What are Bitcoin? Check out this complete explanation about Bitcoin. In recent years, the name Bitcoin is increasingly being heard as an instrument in the financial world that is said to be able to generate a lot of profit. Many people end up enthusiastic about transaction and investing in on of TC tips of cryptocurrency. The profit is so tempting because the insurance is in its valuation from time to time is extraordinary. There is already a large user base and several companies have been established specifically to become Bitcoin trading platform. Bitcoin is often considered as a new investment instrument that has the potential to maximize profit. At this time, you might be interested in knowing more about what Bitcoin is or Bitcoin works. Is it true that Bitcoin can bring a lot of profit? How does Bitcoin work? Come on, see a more complete explanation below. Bitcoin is a new currency or electronic money that was created in 2009 by someone on sign that pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is mainly used in transaction on the internet without using intermediaries or not using bank service. Just like coin P2P from Coinwork, Bitcoin use a peer-to-peer system. However, the system works without a single repository or administrator, where the United States Department of the Treasury sell Bitcoin a decentralized currency. Unlike most other currencies, Bitcoin is not dependent on one major issuer. Bitcoin uses a distributed database and propagates to the nodes of a P2P network to a transaction journal. Okay guys, this is enough discussion in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Thank you.